Just so happen, Mr. Chair, that I'm also the Secretary General of the Palarong Pambansa. Naka-embed po yung So, yung pong sa amin, relating to activities that are focused on the sports, naka-embed na po yan dun sa aming off-campus activities din namin. We have, right now, we have an existing policy. It's DO66 series of 2017 that defines ano po ba yung regulatory function ng DepEd over the off-campus activities. But basically, Mr. Chair, this policy focuses on the field trips, no, yung mga immersion programs natin, team building, and so on and so forth. So, very particular po yung DO66 on the safety from school to the point of destination. Ano po ba yung mga dapat meron sila? And this includes, of course, the availability of the response if ever there are things untoward incident that will happen during the activity. And second, we also have embedded yung mga sports-related activities in our child protection policy. So, pero mas preventive po, Mr. Chair, yung provisions natin on the policies. Like for example, yung installation or the administration of LRPs or yung mga learner rights protection desk and help desk natin during sports activities natin, sports competition, especially that before going to the palaro, Mr. Chair, you will have your division meet, you have your regional meet before going to the palaro. So naka-embed po in each level of governance yung ganito pong mga preventive measures natin.
So we're talking about competitions.
Yes.
We're talking about field trips, team building. Kasi I think ito pong Ateneo is like a team building, no? It's really more like a team building na may mga kailangan bantayan yung mga eskwelahan tungkol dito. Does your DO cover private schools as well, or it only covers our DepEd schools?
Yes, it covers the private school, but of course, on the part of DepEd is an encouragement or encouraging private schools to because we know that some of the private school would have their own regulatory measures also.
Yes, but if we include that in the School Safety Act, it will cover as well private schools. So pwede yung basihan ng provision na ito, yung Department Order 6 po ninyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and well, we can speak later on, but both CHED and DepEd can submit your current regulations to us and to see if we can put it in the law para talagang sagrado na siya, no, na batas. But the idea is all the activities papunta doon mismo at pauwi, merong mga regulasyon pagdating sa kaligtasan ng mga bata, no?
Yes, Mr.
At merong mandated response dapat kung may mangyaring hindi ka nais-nais.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
If I may add, Mr. Chair, I think PSC probably would report on this. There's a panel, a stakeholder panel formed by the Philippine Sports Commission. At kasama po kami doon sa panel. No? I myself is part of the panel. Primarily to number one, to support the ongoing investigations that are being conducted right now, both criminally and administratively. And third is really to leverage on this panel, on the stakeholder panel, kung paano pa ho natin palakasin yung mga struktura natin, especially with regards to or basically making sure that this will not happen again. Isa po dun sa mga aspekto that tinitingnan po ng panel is the coaching, yung regulation ng coaching. Kasi even us in the basic ed, hindi na ho namin din monitor kung paano ginagawa yung training activities or training program ng mga coaches. So having been or this being regulated probably would really help so that there will be standards on the way we do our coaching and training programs for our athletes. So isa po yan sa mga structural reforms that the panel would be recommending in due time.